avoid. Are you sabotaging your diet? Skipping meals. Skipping meals might seem like a quick way to cut calories, but it actually messes with your body's natural rhythm. Not tracking portions. We've all been there. A handful of chips turns into half the bag, or a small serving of pasta becomes a mountain on your plate. Portion distortion is real, and it's one of the easiest ways to unintentionally overeat. Relying too much on healthy, packaged foods. Ever grabbed a protein bar or granola thinking it's a healthy option, only to realize later it's packed with sugar? Many packaged foods marketed as healthy are highly processed and contain hidden ingredients that hinder your progress. Drinking your calories. That caramel macchiato or post-workout smoothie could be sneaking hundreds of extra calories into your day. Drinks don't fill you up the way solid foods do, making it easy to overconsume. Overdoing cheat meals. Let's face it, 7 mistakes to avoid. That is, cheat with meals are fun, but turning one cheat meal into an all-out cheat day or weekend can undo an entire week of hard work. Ignoring your protein intake. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a crucial nutrient for anyone trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. It helps repair muscles, keeps you full, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Not getting enough sleep. Think dieting is all about food and exercise? Think again. Sleep plays a massive role in weight management.